Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in Sydney, Australia, from Facebook page and YouTube page sydneyclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, accountant required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Accountant required in Sydney. We are a medium but well established land development company with multiple subsidiaries and home base. Due to significant growth, we are seeking an accountant or assistant accountant to join our team. Job description: preparing accounts and tax returns, process payroll, prepare BAS, auditing financial information, compiling and presenting reports, budget, business plans, commentaries and financial statements, analyzing account and business plans, financial forecasting and risk analysis, examining bank statement and reconciling them with journal ledger entries, keeping an eye on incoming payments from accounts receivable and outgoing payments from accounts payable, analyzing data collected in order to determine the state of the company's financial health, analyzing data to understand where the company is generating and losing revenue, generating financial reports that display the company's profit, equity and cash flow, preparing the monthly profit and loss and balance sheet reports, collecting and analyzing data which is then used in the preparation of weekly and monthly estimates, preparing weekly cash flow statements and controlling expenditure and cash flow, assisting with the preparation of year-end accounts. The ideal candidate will have 2 years working experience in same field, experience in advanced Microsoft Office suite, experience with accounting and bookkeeping software including Xero, have qualification in accounting or be currently studying towards achieving your qualification, a friendly professional manner with attention to detail, and you are providing the best service possible, problem solving skill, proactive approach, excellent communication skills. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So accountant required in Sydney. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV to this email address. So you must have a previous experience in accounting field, minimum 2 years experience in same field, and you must have a graduate in relevant field. Then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply job. So guys, new jobs links available in the job description. So this description available in the YouTube video description, so you can directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand this step and process. So it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.